Hello everyone, my name is Jasmin. I'm the stylist from Pur Style, and today I want to show you how you can style a tulle skirt for different occasions. I finally found one I really like in a boutique in Graz. It's called Donna, and I went for a grey one because I really like the different layers of the skirt, and I think grey is a super color you can combine for the day but also for nice events. So this is already the first outfit I'm wearing. This is my city style with a tulle skirt I was wearing last week exploring New York. Because I had to walk a lot, I chose sneakers, but I tied them in the back. So they look more kind of a ballet style combined with the skirt. I really like this style. And because it was really hot, I chose a crop top. And I really like it when you see a bit of your waistline. So it's a really cool combination, and the zip tie is also super trendy right now, and I think the pink and the grey go really well with the skirt. Just a bit of jewelry, your phone, and you can go and explore your favorite city. But there are also more styles already here. For example, you can combine a tulle skirt with a leather jacket, with a bodysuit, with a lace top, a really nice combination for a wedding, or with a jeans jacket. We also have different pairs of shoes here, which I will show you how to combine with the skirt.